Let's quickly shift our attention to the investigations in the Pune Porsche car accident case. Now remember, the father and the grandfather of the accused, the juvenile accused in the case, have both been sent to 14-day judicial custody. But the Pune police has been investigating the case. In the latest, in fact, they've also investigated, rather questioned the passengers, the people who were seated, two of them who were seated on the passenger seat in the car when the accident took place, and both of them have confessed to the fact, they've admitted to the fact that the accused most certainly was under the influence of alcohol. Apart from this, the Pune police are also trying to unearth whether or not, as far as the blood sample swapping episode is concerned, the blood sample of the accused mother was sent to the lab. That's also something that is under the purview of the investigation. But like I said, a little bit of trouble mounting for both the father and the grandfather of the accused in the latest. Let's also talk about more breaking news coming in as we speak. We've accessed the remand copy of the accused father and the grandfather. The remand copy, in fact, does confirm that the car has been seized. Now remember, the car here becoming the most important piece of evidence. There are several other aspects that have come to the fore, but mobile phone has also been seized. In fact, the police say they want to investigate the accused on the seizure of the mobile phone. Who else was involved with them in this crime? The police also of the opinion that the CCTV was tampered with. That is what has been revealed in the remand copy. Yesha, my colleague, joins us with more details. 14-day judicial custody, both for the father and the grandfather, Yesha. We've accessed the remand copy. Take us to the key takeaways.
So in fact, now this is the second time that the father of the accused has been sent to judicial remand. In fact, before this, he was sent to judicial remand in the juvenile justice board case, wherein he was at Yerwara jail. But however, following which, when the second case was, as the FIR that was registered pertaining to the kidnapping of the driver, was where the father's remand was sought again. In fact, the grandfather was arrested in this case, following which cop took the remand of the father, and both of them were being tried and questioned in the kidnapping of the driver case. Now here, when you speak of the case of the kidnapping of the driver, it was alleged that the two of them had forced the driver to admit that he was behind the wheels and not the minor accused. However, now that we speak of this case, while the remand copy, like you rightly mentioned, spoke about the car, the Mercedes car which we reported from, which was used to kidnap the driver. Apart from that, the cops also mentioned that they wanted to find out if there were any more people involved with them in the case, and further check the mobile phone that was seized from them. However, considering it was the same orders, in fact the same grounds on which cops had sought remand, court sent them to a judicial custody for 14 days. But the trouble seems to not be over for the father of the juvenile, because the cops have now moved an application before the court to try him for swapping of blood samples. In fact, for the purpose of all this, let us recollect that just 3-4 days back, cops had mentioned that in the investigation has been found out that the father of the accused had 14 phone calls with Dr. Ajay Tawre. Now, Dr. Ajay Tawre, Dr. Shrihari Halnoor, and the attendant in this case have all been sent to police custody until June 5th, where they are still being investigated to understand how the swapping of blood samples took place. Meanwhile, in the investigation has been found out that it was on the instructions of the father of the accused was where the blood samples were changed, which is where cops have now moved an application before the court.
How is it that the NCP MLA Sunil Tengre was able to establish contact with the team of doctors? A close aide of Mr. Tengre has also come out to say that he's in Pune. He's also going to be addressing a press conference in the next 2 days. Yasha, we'll keep coming back to you. Many thanks for joining us with the latest in the meanwhile.